Good morning, children. Hope all of you are fine at home. Children, today we will continue our chapter measurement. Children, in our last class, we had done exercise 13b, that is addition and subtraction of measurements. Now, we will move to the next topic, that is measurement situations in real life. That is the word problem based on measurement. Now, children, here examples given. Open your page number 215. The first example, Roshan travelled 452 km, 250 meter by train and 95 km, 800 meter by car. Find the total distance travelled by Roshan. Now children, the solution. So write the statement here, distance travelled by train. You write here the measurement, that 452 kilometer, 250 meter, under the kilometer column, under the meter column. Now distance travelled by car, that is your 95 kilometer and 800 meter. Therefore, total distance travelled. So you will do addition to find the total distance. So we are adding here. So children, total distance covered, we are getting 548 kilometer and 50 meter. So, Roshan travelled 548 km and 50 meter distance in total. Next example in the page number 216. 532 liter and 750 ml water was used from a tank full of water of capacity 600 liter. So, how much water was left in the tank after uses? So, children, quantity of water in the tank, it was full, no? So, the quantity of water in the tank, 600 liter. Now, no milliliter, so write here 000. Now, quantity of water used, 532 liter and 750 milliliter. Now, children, quantity of water left. So, to get leftover water, we will do subtraction. Now, subtract here, children. So, we are getting 67 liter, 250 milliliter water was left in the tank after usage. Okay. Now, we will move to exercise 13C. Look at the first question. Capacity of two tanks A and B. There are two tanks, tank A and tank B, are 500 liter 100 ml and 652 liter 250 ml respectively. What is the total capacity of the two tanks? So children, what does it mean by respectively? Yes, the capacity of the tank A is the first, this one, and the capacity of tank B is the second measurement, this one. And we have to find the total capacity of two tanks. Okay, so let's solve it. Write the statement capacity of tank A. So 500 liter and 100 ml. Capacity of tank B 652 liter and 250 ml. Therefore, total capacity of the two tanks. So children, when we have to find total capacity, so we will do addition. Yes. So write two values. Now children, you can add here. We will do addition. Write here two columns, liter and milliliter. Write the values under liter and milliliter. And now do addition. So we are getting 1152 liter and 350 milliliter. So on addition we are getting, so write here the total capacity of the two tanks is 1152 liter and 350 ml. Moving to next question, children. Rohini jogs 2080 meter every day. Okay, we do jogging, no? Dipali jogs 2 km and 200 meter every day. Now, who jogs more and by how much? So, children, first of all, we will see Rohini. Okay, so the distance covered by Rohini Yes, right here distance covered by Rohini 2080 meter. Now children, we need to convert this meter into kilometer and meter. Okay? Because it is more than 1000 na? You know 1000 meter means 1 kilometer. So to convert into kilometer, we divide this by 1000. So on division, we are getting, yes, there are 3 zeros, hide here 3 digits. So we are getting 2 kilometer and 80 meter. Right here 2 kilometer and 080 meter. Now distance covered by Dipali. So that is 2 kilometer and 200 meter. Right here 2 kilometer 200 meter. Now children, we have to compare that who jogs more. So here between these two values, this 2 kilometer and 200 meter is more. It means Dipali jogs more than Rohini. Now by how much? So we need to find the difference. So to find the difference, arrange these two values under the columns kilometer and meter. Write the bigger value first, 2 kilometer and 200 meter. And this value next, 2 kilometer 080 meter. Now we will do here subtraction. Okay, subtract here children. So on subtraction we are getting 0 kilometer 120 meter. So right here Dipali jogs more than Rohini by 120 meter. Okay, no need to write this 0 kilometer. Write only 120 meter. So right here children 120 meter. Okay. Now moving to question number 3. Look at here. A container full of oil weighs 300 kg and 115 gram. If the empty container, okay, empty means when there was no oil, it was empty. If the empty container weighs 25 kilogram and 200 gram, then find the weight of oil in the container. Okay. So children, I have tried explain this question using the figure. So look at here. Suppose this is my oil container. This is my empty container. Okay, there is no oil. It's empty. So weight of this empty container is 25 kg, 200 gram. Okay. Now the same container is filled with oil. It is filled of oil. Okay. So here when we fill this container with oil, so now the weight of this container becomes 300 kg and 115 gram. Okay, so you have to find the weight of oil in the oil container. You have to find the weight of oil. Okay, so children, right here, weight of a container full of oil 300 kg, 115 gram. Now weight of the empty container, this one 25 kg, 200 gram. So children, when we subtract these two values, so we will get weight of oil. Okay. So weight of oil in the oil container. So we need to subtract. Again we will write here columns kilogram and gram. Write this value first, the bigger value 300 kilogram and 115 gram. This is the weight of the container filled with oil. Now subtract the weight of the empty container. This 25 kilogram and 200 gram. So do here subtraction. It will give weight of oil in the container. On subtraction children, we are getting 274 kilogram, 915 gram. So this is the weight of oil in the container. Okay, write this. This is our final answer. 274 kilogram, 915 gram. I hope it is clear. Moving to question number 5. Out of a roll of 100-meter ribbon, the tailor used 2 pieces of length 35 meter, 40 centimeter and 30 meter, 90 centimeter. Okay, 2 pieces tailor has cut. This is the length of first piece. This is the length of second piece. Now, what length of the ribbon is left in the roll? Children, suppose this is my ribbon, okay? So, the length of this ribbon is 100 meter. So, I have written here 100 meter. The length of whole ribbon is 100 meter. Now, the tailor has cut two parts from it. Suppose this is my first part, length 35 meter 40 centimeter, and this is the second part, length 30 meter 90 centimeter. Now children, you have to find the length of this left part, okay? This part you have to find the length. So I have put here question mark because this length we don't know, na? So I have written here question mark. You have to find the length of this left portion. So children, how will you find? Yes. First of all, you add these two lengths, okay? Add the length of these two parts and then subtract it from the total length. Okay? So children, length of the ribbon is 100 meter. Length of the first part is 35 meter 40 centimeter. Length of the second part is 30 meter 90 centimeter. So now we will find the length of these two parts together. Okay? Means from here to here. So right here, length of the two parts. So we will add these two. On addition, we will get children. Arrange in column and add. So we are getting here 66 meter and 30 centimeter. So this is the length of two parts. Now you have to find the length of the left part. So what will you do? Yes, you will subtract this value from 100 meter. Okay, out of 100 meter, this length has been cut. So we will subtract it from 100 meter. So length of the ribbon is left in the roll. Out of 100 meter, this portion we have cut. So you subtract. Okay, you do here subtraction children. Arrange in columns. It is 100 meter. So write here 100. No centimeter, 0, 0. Now you write this 66 meter and 30 centimeter. Now do subtraction here. Okay, we need to borrow, you can see. So finally we are getting 33 meter and 70 centimeter. Isn't it? So this is the length of the left ribbon. So write here 33 meter and 70 centimeter. So children, our answer will be 33 meter and 70 centimeter. I hope it is clear children. So today this much only, and these all questions you will do in your classwork copy. In our next class we will do the next exercise. Thank you children. Have a nice day.